Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today we are going to talk about how to grow corn and dolichos bean into the media bucket system. We have done this into the coco peat grow beds, but today we are going to see how we can start both these plants into this media bucket system. Now friends, what you can see over here is my media bucket system with the 20-liter buckets each, and we have used the media clay balls into it. Now we have fixed the drip lines for the continuous circulation of the water. And if I show you the media bucket, I'll remove one for your convenience, and you can see here is the bucket. Halfway mark is filled with this media, and this media is clay ball. Now clay ball is like porous, a big granule. Now it is very difficult to start any seed directly into the clay balls. And for growing anything into this clay ball system, we must grow nursery first and then replant them plants into the system. Now you can either grow them into a nursery of the pro tray, or you can grow it directly into some grow bed, and then later on when it is mature you can transplant them into these buckets. Now here we have grown them into these grow beds. You can see the plants are now ready. So all the plants are almost at the 3-leaf stage, and this is the right time to transfer them into these buckets. Now at the time of transferring, we need to take little care so that our plant will re-establish well into this system and we can get the good plant health. So at the time of replanting, we are going to put one corn and one dolichos bean into each bucket, and for that we have grown 8 of corn seeds and 8 of dolichos bean seeds. Now for transplanting, it is very simple. You can simply remove the plant with some coco peat. So we have dig deep, remove this plant. So here we are keeping some coco peat for good establishment of the plant. Then we will shift this plant into this media bucket, just simply shifting the balls, putting this ball. Now at the time of sowing, we must ensure that we must sow it at least 1 inch deep from the original position into the nursery. This is because the clay balls can dry out fast on the top, and if you put it on the top, and there is all the chances this plant may get died. So if you put them on the deeper level, the moisture level will maintain and our plant will establish well. So we are just shifting these balls and putting this plant deep into the system. So this is how simply you can transfer this into this media bucket. So we will shift one more dolichos bean plant also. So again we are taking this with some root, some coco peat. You can see this, and shifting again the clay balls and putting this plant little deep. So this will give good chance for plant to settle into the system. Now for a safe side, we'll water them immediately, simply all around the roots, so the new root will start, and once the new root is there, the plant will establish very quickly. Now we need to take care for 48 hours. Every 5-6 hours we can give some water to ensure that root will not get dry out and our plant will establish well. So once we do this, we will put this bucket back into the system and put our drip line and start the drip line. So this will give the nourishment to the plants. Now for the nutrition, we are just going to maintain the hydroponic general formula for all these media buckets. As we are going to plant many of variety of these vegetables into these media buckets, like we have put the corn, we are putting some dolichos bean, we are going to put pea, we are going to put okra and many other vegetables. So So we are not going to make any alternative to the formula. We are just going to put a hydroponic formula and grow this plant like this. So friends, this is the way you can also grow into media bucket the corn, the dolichos bean and other vegetable plants and get the very good harvest. Happy growing!